Pam is the receptionist at ChildSavers. During the pandemic, we did a lot of conversation around who are the essential people who are keeping society going. And they were healthcare workers, including our clinicians. But there were other people behind the scenes that did really important work. I think of Pam like that. She's the glue, or better, the oil that makes the machine work. She is the heart of this organization.
I've been here for 16 years, and Pam was one of the first people I met and was introduced to me as like, this is the important person you need to know.
She helps us so much, and I don't know what we would do without her.
For our holiday parties, we used to have photographers come and take pictures with the kids and Santa. And Miss Pam would go through the pictures and would know exactly which kid went with which clinician and would make piles. And 10 out of 10, they were always correct.
I saw a young man here at the clinic that's always stayed with me for a couple of reasons: a lot of trauma history, multiple losses in his family, but also he was a challenging person, would challenge me, challenge other providers, every staff person at ChildSavers he interacted with, except for Miss Pam. For Miss Pam, it was always a side hug, a check-in, sometimes little gifts of art. And even during the pandemic, when we were trying to connect over Zoom, she was the one he wanted to know about. So I have to think she was a pretty integral touchstone throughout his healing journey.
She really cares so much for the community that we serve. I think it was really awesome that she was finally recognized for all that she pours into the agency and her community.
But Ms. Pam was also the person to make sure that I knew that she believed in me and she saw value in the work I did. She's moved in that time from coworker to neighbor to friend, and I wouldn't have it any other way.